You know, a lot of people ask me how I stay so motivated and how I can work out every day and how I just can maintain this healthy lifestyle. A huge lesson I've learned from my weight loss journey and body recomposition of having 4 kids and losing 50 pounds 4 different times in my life is how important it is to set goals. Goals are super important. They help us maintain accountability. They help us have something to drive towards. They keep us motivated and focused. The most important one for me is that goals help us prioritize where our energy should be driving towards. So my first tip is to focus on one thing at a time. So often I can get all crazy and want to do everything at once, especially when you're starting to try out a new healthy lifestyle. You want to drink more water, you want to get exercise, you want to get to the gym, you want to eat healthy, you want to cut out sugar. There's all these things that one could do, and that's a lot of things to pay attention to. If you just focus on one goal at a time, and that way you can put all of your energy towards that, then you master that, and then you take on another goal. Otherwise, if you have too many goals and you're trying to do too many things at once, that's going to just set you up for failure. Make your goal measurable, specific, and time-oriented. The more measurable your goal, the better success you're going to have because you're actually going to be able to objectively achieve that goal. Instead of saying, I want to get stronger or I want to lose weight, you want to break that down into what does that actually look like? How can you measure that? For example, if you want to get stronger and you currently can do, say, 5 push-ups, make your goal, I want to be able to do 20 push-ups, and then that way you can measure how close you get to that goal, and it's very objective. This is also helpful for weight loss. You know, a lot of people want to just lose weight, but they don't really think about how much weight do they want to lose. So if you choose to instead have a goal of, I want to lose 10 pounds in 2 months, and then you can check again after 2 months and you can see if you're making your way towards your goal. Set the bar low to start. So you want to set yourself up for success, not failure. So you want to give yourself a goal that you know you can pretty reasonably achieve, but you're going to feel good after you accomplish it. So you want this quick win. Say your goal is that you want to eliminate added sugars. Well, doing that across the board is going to be pretty tricky, and it's going to make you overhaul everything you eat. Instead, try to focus on one thing. Maybe it's your coffee. Maybe you're adding in sweetened creamer every morning into your coffee, and that's something that you can replace with adding in a non-sweetened creamer like half and half or whole cream. Then once you have that quick win, you'll know that you can achieve that, and you'll set the next goal until eventually you have all of this added sugar reduced from your diet. The more success you have in your fitness journey, the better you're going to feel about yourself, the more motivated you're going to be to continue, and the overall quality of life is just going to be so much better. Another tip is to create a big goal, but also create small stepping stones along the way to get to that goal. So large goals are a great idea, and I encourage you to dream big because having a big goal is a really cool accomplishment, and it's something that is really cool to strive towards. But you want to have stepping stones along the way so that you can have those small successes along the way. So say you want to lose 100 pounds, you're going to want to have stepping stones of being able to lose 10 pounds or lose 15 pounds before you get to that 100-pound goal. And by the time you keep going, you're just going to keep translating that into more and more success. This would also be the case if you were training for a marathon or something. You don't want to just start out and run a marathon. You're going to need to learn how to start running smaller time frames so that you can eventually build up to a marathon, because you're going to set yourself up for failure if you just go outside and try to run that far. Understand your why. This one is really important and hits home for me. It's something that I talk a lot about in my 30-day healthy program, about finding your mantra, finding your why on why the heck is this goal important to you. We all have these goals and we all want to achieve things for ourselves, but there's a reason behind it. Is it you want to be healthy for your kids and be able to play with them in the backyard? Is it that you want to live long and healthy so that you can have time with your grandchildren? Is it you want to look good and feel good about yourself? Is it you want to finally be healthy and get rid of any type 2 diabetes? There's all of these goals that one can have, and understanding your why behind that goal is so powerful. When you're having those struggles and you're really having a hard time coming up with the motivation to keep going, having that why, having that mantra is really going to help you keep going. There's always that why that's going to have that emotional pull to you to motivate you to keep you going. A way to think about this is to really think about how you would feel once you accomplish that goal. And that's really what your why is. You know, fitness goals and weight loss goals, they take time. They take planning. They take constant iteration, keep working towards that main goal. And hopefully you'll find out along the way that you enjoy the whole process of reaching that goal even more than you enjoy the final outcome. Check out my 30-day healthy program to learn more about your why and how we can support you to reach your goals, and I will see you in the next video.